Okay, I found some beginner-friendly, little experience-needed work-from-home jobs. For one of them, you'll gather information from people looking for insurance coverage. We have another easy work-from-home job looking over data. And the third remote job is an entry-level tech support position that pays anywhere from $60,000 to $75,000 per year. And yup, it is a legitimate company, a legitimate job. So let's get into them. So the first easy work-from-home job I'm sharing comes to us from Baylor Scott & White. They're the largest not-for-profit healthcare system in the state of Texas, and they've been around since 2013. They have an opening for an Access Services Rep Level 1. This job is full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description. So what you're going to do in this job is gather accurate demographic and insurance information, and this will help register patients, verify insurance benefits, and collect patient financial responsibilities. So you'll conduct and document patient interviews, register patients at multiple locations, and interact on a regular basis with other areas and departments to provide information on patient delays and schedule changes. You'll also verify patient eligibility for insurance coverage and benefit levels for services. And you may also be responsible for cashiering duties. Now, when they refer to cashiering duties, be prepared to be able to post payments and do collections. And you'd be a great fit for this job if you have all the typical soft skills you need for just about every job. You have excellent data entry, numeric typing, and computer navigation skills. And you also have basic computer skills and you're comfortable using Microsoft Office. You need a high school diploma or a GED. And they tell us as far as experience, all they want is less than 1 year of experience. So if you ever had a job doing any kind of admin work, check out this opportunity. Now, when it comes to the salary, they're not sharing that anywhere on the job description, so I did a little bit of research. And it looks like Baylor Scott & White has paid Access Services representatives anywhere from $47,400 up to $47,700 per year. Now, there's no way I can guarantee that's how much you'll make in this particular position. You'll have to work out your salary with them. So our next beginner-friendly work-from-home job is with Fairway Home Mortgage. They're an independent mortgage company, and they've been around since 1996. And today they're looking for a post-closing intake specialist. This job is full-time remote. You can do it anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description, but there's one thing I want to point out. They tell us this is a nationwide opportunity offering remote flexibility with a hybrid requirement for occasional in-office time. I wanted to know where this company is located, so I went to their website, checked out their locations, and it looks like they do have branches in every state within the United States. At least that's what I'm hoping. I have not looked at every single one of them. So, for example, if we take a look at California, we can see they have several branches in the state of California alone. And looking at Michigan, they do have a couple branches in the state of Michigan. So if I was interested in this job, I would not let this deter me from applying for this position. So what you're going to do in this job is manage suspense items, oversee shared mailboxes, and ensure all post-closing inquiries and condition reports are handled accurately and on schedule. So what that means is you'll monitor the funded pipeline, direct assignments for internal and external suspense items across multiple business lines, and track loans delivered to investors. You review incoming conditions and inquiries from multiple channels, such as email, reports, and investor portals, and route requests to the appropriate internal groups. You'll connect with external partners to secure updated review statuses and condition reports, and generate operational reports for leadership. So for this job, all they want from you is a little bit of related professional experience operating in a fast-paced environment, analyzing and interpreting data, and managing professional relationships. You have basic proficiency in Microsoft Excel, including pivot tables and VLOOKUPs. You have a high school diploma or a GED and a quiet, dedicated workspace with reliable, high-speed internet access. And as far as the salary, they don't share that anywhere on the job description, but based on my experience looking at similar roles, I have a feeling this job could pay anywhere from, I'm going to say $18 to $23 per hour, depending on how much related experience you have. But there's no way I can guarantee how much you'll make. You'll have to work out your salary with them. So our last easy work from home job is a very entry-level tech support position that could pay up to $75,000 per year. We'll get into that in just a minute. So the company Axual, I'm not sure I pronounced it correctly, what they do is provide credentialing services, and they've been around since 2018. They're looking for a support specialist to work full-time remotely anywhere within the United States. I did not come across any location restrictions anywhere on the job description nor on the application, but you must be available to work Monday through Friday from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time Zone hours, which translates to 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time Zone. So that tells me you can do this job in the state of California as well as nationwide in the U.S. So they tell us this is an entry-level position and there is a potential to grow within this and other departments in the company depending on your career ambitions. And what you do is serve as a primary client-facing contact, ensuring that clients receive an outstanding level of service and support while becoming a trusted resource for clinicians and system administrators as they navigate the online application process. Basically, you'll respond to, triage, coordinate, and communicate with clients when they require software support. So you'll directly work with clients to resolve Tier 1 level issues, provide outstanding levels of responsiveness and support via email, text, chat, and phone, coordinate and follow up on internal requests and work in progress, while following established workflow for the triage and escalation of support tickets. So you'd be a good fit for this job if you're an excellent communicator, you're willing to learn and participate as a collaborative member of the team, and you have experience with software and you're able to quickly figure out how it works. You're able to demonstrate you have a professional and helpful demeanor. You have exposure to software development and support, as well as exposure to healthcare organizations and clinicians. They'd like you to have some college, you're a college graduate, or you've gone through a tech boot camp, or you have relevant experience. And this company offers your standard suite of benefits, including a work-from-home stipend. And when it comes to the salary, here we go, guys. At the bottom of the job description, they tell us they'll pay you anywhere from $60,000 to $75,000 per year. So that does it for this job. In fact, we just went over 3 entry-level, beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you're looking for more easy work-from-home jobs, you can find some in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.